Hello and welcome back to the JetBackup tutorial series. In this video we'll be covering the plugins section of JetBackup 5. We'll go over the plugins interface as well as how to install and manage plugins in JetBackup 5. As always, this tutorial and many others are available on our website at jetbackup.com/tutorials. Plugins are critical to the functionality of JetBackup 5 and are how JetBackup integrates various destination types as well as notification or security integrations with popular tools such as notifications for Slack or Teams or security functionality with Immunified 360. To start, we'll navigate down to the Plugins menu on the navigation bar on the left of the GUI. Once we're in the Plugins menu, we're met with a list of plugins which are currently installed, and from the Plugins list we're able to disable plugins or adjust visibility or permissions if applicable. To acquire a new plugin, we'll navigate to the Available Plugins tab at the top of the page and select our desired plugin and hit Install. This will install the plugin and we'll be prompted to enable it once it finishes installing. If a plugin is already installed, we have the option to uninstall or reinstall the plugin as well. Finally, JetBackup allows custom repositories which allow you to add or manage custom plugins for JetBackup 5. To add a repository, we can navigate to the repository list from the tab at the top of the menu and click Create New Repository. Here, all that's needed is the repo name and URL, and clicking Save will add your new repository. And that will conclude our overview for the Plugins menu of JetBackup 5. In our next tutorial, we'll go over the Settings section of JetBackup 5. Thanks for joining us, and as always, all of our tutorials are available at jetbackup.com/tutorials.